LIT Alumni Association presents Jewels of LIT Awards 2018, sponsored by LA's Totally Awesome.
Sri Kamal Narayan Sitha, also known as Polymer King of Asia, was born in July 1943 in Akola, Maharashtra. He did his schooling from Danielson School of Chhindwara and passed higher secondary from NMG School. A bright student from an early age, he joined Lakshminarayan Institute of Technology in the year 1960.
In the year 1960, when I came to Nagpur to take admission in the Lakshminarayan Institute of Technology, that time this was one of the great premier organization in the country to study chemical engineering. That time we were just told that this line is good for you, join it, and thus I joined.
During his graduation years at LIT, he was honored by Dr. Zakir Hussain, Vice President of India, for winning national level essay competition. After graduation in 1964, he joined Gwalior Rayons and later moving to Shriram Fibers, JK Synthetics, RK Polyesters, Canoria Chemicals, and finally Indorama Synthetics. At Indorama, his hard work, knowledge, experience played an important role in the transformation of Indorama operations as well as the whole Butibori industrial area.
सीता साहब एक मायने में विदर्भ के सही सपूत हैं। बूटीबोरी एक जो है विदर्भ का एक इंडस्ट्रियल हब है और इसके डेवलपमेंट में सीता साहब का बहुत ज़्यादा योगदान रहा हुआ है।
As CEO of Indorama, Mr. Sitha was instrumental in establishment of Spanyan manufacturing unit in Indonesia in the year 1976, which is today a leading Asian organization in polymer synthetics.
हमने बूटीबोरी को मेरिट के आधार पर और जो यहाँ की सरकार की जो योजनाएं थी उनका गहन अध्ययन करने के बाद हमने जो महाराष्ट्र शासन की एक परिकल्पना थी, MIDC की जो कल्पना थी कि ये एशिया का एक महत्वपूर्ण औद्योगिक क्षेत्र बनेगा, उसका अध्ययन करने के बाद हमने ये फैसला लिया। शिक्षा में बहुत कुछ प्राप्त करने के बाद इस इंस्टीट्यूट को हम वापस क्या दे सकते हैं, तो इस आधार पर हमने बूटीबोरी का निर्णय लिया और मुझे ये कहने में बहुत खुशी है कि निर्णय तो अच्छा था ही और इसका श्रेय LIT को जाता है।
हमारे सीता जी और एक शानदार उनका जीवन है और मैं उनको बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूँ और नई पीढ़ी से उम्मीद करता हूँ कि उनके जीवन का अध्ययन करें क्योंकि सक्सेस है। नथिंग इज इम्पॉसिबल, सीता जी ने करके बता दिया।
During his professional life, Mr. Sitha has been in leadership role at many prestigious organizations like Mahavir International, Vidarbha Economic Development Council, commonly known as VED, Vidarbha Industries Association, Vidarbha Hind Sahitya Sammelan, LIT Alumni Association. As chairman, LIT Alumni Association, Mr. Kamal Sitha worked tirelessly after its revivification in the year 2016 and completed many projects for the betterment of Alma Mater. His inclination towards spiritual rituals and prayers from very young age prompted him to undertake research on Rudraksha for the welfare and healing of common people. He was the first person in the world who has taken scientific approach to Rudraksha study and to understand its benefit for human life. Today, His healing techniques are famous around the world through YouTube channels and social media. His book, Power of Rudraksha, is famous among readers and also won the award.
कुछ समय पहले उन्होंने जो रुद्राक्ष को लेकर एक जो अभियान छेड़ा हुआ है, उसके अवेयरनेस के बारे में और उसके फायदों के बारे में, और रुद्राक्ष एक किस तरीके से इंसान के जीवन में सहायक सिद्ध हो सकता है, इसके बारे में जो उन्होंने मुझे डिटेल्स दी, वास्तविक में उससे बहुत प्रभावित हुआ।
1966 में हमारी शादी हुई। मैंने शुरू से इनको काम के प्रति अटूट निष्ठा, वफादारी व अथक परिश्रम करते हुए देखा है।
At an age when most people choose a retired life, Shri Kamal Narayan Sita is a man on the move. We salute the pioneering spirit of Shri Kamal Narayan Sita and pray to the Almighty that he may continue to inspire the future generation in general and Elitians in particular to follow his visionary footsteps.
This great institute, which has produced stalwarts working both within India and abroad, I request Shri Nitinji to do everything in his command and bring back the status of this great institute once again